Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta Kunal Kapoor, only way. Start by boiling salted water and adding pasta for the time on the package. While pasta cooks, mince garlic, have tomatoes, and measure olive oil and seasonings. Heat oil in a pan, sauté garlic until fragrant, then add tomatoes and cook until soft. Finish by tossing pasta with sauce and reserved pasta water for a silky finish. Heat a large skillet so it stays hot but not smoking, then add oil and garlic to coax flavor without burning. Add tomatoes and a pinch of salt, letting them soften and release juices. When pasta is al dente, transfer with tongs into the pan along with reserved pasta water and a splash of olive oil. Toss constantly to marry sauce and pasta into a cohesive, silky coating. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for storing leftover pasta without spills. They save time and keep lunches tidy. I use them to portion servings and toss in salads or pasta for work lunches. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After tossing, taste and adjust with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors. Fold and torn basil leaves off heat so they stay vibrant, and finish with finely grated cheese for a creamy touch. Let the pasta rest in the pan for a minute to absorb sauce. Serve immediately on warm plates for the best texture and aromatic presentation every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.